my passion, I suppose, really, and I just love what I do, and it's a way of life. My name is Oonagh, and I have a little business called Wild Kitchen. I run my ecotourism business in partnership with the Barrtra Seafood restaurant, and we look out over Liscannor Bay, which is a beautiful part of County Clare. I meet the guests and we walk down the laneway and we forage for wild plants and flowers, and I tell them all about the ingredients and things that they're going to eat later on. It's a beautiful, picturesque place. I suppose I have a lovely story to tell people, and they just love that interaction that I have with them, meeting them and knowing that I'm a local and that I have so many stories from the wilds to offer them. The food in the restaurant is delicious. Lovely lamb from the Burren, seafood from the ocean in front of us, and foraged ingredients like nettles and dillisk. I love what I do. I love sharing my knowledge and my passion for all things wild. I really hope I can welcome you to this part of the world soon.